Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make some cassava fritters, right? Cassava, also known as yuca. So all we need is just basically simple ingredients. This is the cassava. I'm using the original root. You could also get this peeled, already peeled in the frozen section of the grocery store, right? So we need the cassava, a little bit of oil to fry the fritters in, and I'll use a little bit of salt to give it a little taste. So the first thing I need to do just to cut up is this into 3 pieces and begin to peel them. So let me do that now. So I'm going to cut out this end here. My mom has a really good technique how she does peel the cassava. I'll leave a link for that in the top right hand part of the screen. I'm doing it my easy way. I like to cut up into pieces like this, and I find that I can peel the cassava easily. Okay, now that has been done, let's begin to peel. I have my very sharp knife. I'll just begin, right, so I'll just begin to peel like this, and after that, let me use another knife. Some people use a potato masher to do this. This skin is pretty hard. I never tried that, but you know, if that works for you, go right ahead. And I find as I begin to peel like this, it's much easier to come off, for the skin to come off. That's it. Okay, so here's my cassava peeled and washed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut down the center of each piece, and I'm going to remove, there's like a vein in the center of the cassava. I'm just going to dig out that. It's like a root sort of thing. And I'm going to throw this away. Next step will be just to grate the cassava. If I leave this in this stem thingy, it has a sort of a bitter taste, so you need to remove it. Yeah. Next, I'm going to grate the cassava. I'm using the very small side of the grater. I'm just going to grate this. Okay, so here's my cassava all grated. So the next thing we need to do is to squeeze out most of the liquid from the grated cassava as possible. Okay, so we have to squeeze out the liquid, as much liquid as we can from the grated cassava. So what I'm doing here, just put a bit at a time into the strainer and just press out. You'll see a bit of liquid coming in your glass jar, whatever you're using. So you want to get it grated cassava as dry as possible as you can. So I'll just transfer this bit to another bowl and continue the process. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Just mix this together. Next, I'm going to take a small amount of the grated cassava and just roll it like this into a little bowl. That's it. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. I've added some oil. I'm just going to add the cassava balls now, fritters, let them fry. I have my stove on medium heat. As you can see, some of the bottom started to get a little brown. Just turn them over, just let them roll like that. When they're totally brown, I'll just remove them and put them on a plate that is lined with a piece of paper towel. Okay folks, so here are my cassava fritters all done. I'm serving it with a nice little mango chutney there. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care, bye bye.